The radio room. Mayday! Mayday! This is Little Britches. Please, whoever you are, get word to Baloo, please. Tell him Little Britches has a message for him.
Anyone here named Baloo?
You're looking at him, Ace.
Well, there's a distress call for you from someone named Little Britches.
What?
Can't stop him from wrecking the city, but I tried. Please tell Baloo. Tell Papa Bear. I'm his navigator. Oh, yeah.
You going somewhere?
My boy, you cannot make the fool of me twice. From now on, I erase you from my list of noble pirates.
Noble? You're nothing but a cheap crook, Carnage.
Drop him!
Oh!
Mary Montreal, ever creature, never growing gold, never green, never is melody, never just a fronted, says on says on tree, me of Marcadia, on the evergreen. Mary Montreal, ever creature, never growing gold, never growing green, never is the melody, never just a fronted, says on tree, me of Marcadia, on the evergreen. Mary Montreal, into the creature, growing, 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 growing green. And is the mountain, and it just a fountain, so me of Marcadia, on the evergreen.
I got you, Little Britches.
You came back for me.
You forgot this. Didn't I learn you? A navigator wears it that way.